Welcome for this video tutorial, which I'm gonna show you is how to install CUCM. First of all, you have to install a virtual machine before you were able to install it. So for example, in our case, I have the virtual machine workstation. Just click on it and click on create a new virtual machine. Select the default, which is the typical and it's recommended. Click next and select the installer disk image radio button and browse to the location of your ISO image for the CUCM and click open. After that, click on next. Be sure you have chosen the Linux and the version, which is Red Hat Linux 5. After that, click on next, and if you want to browse and save your virtual machine in certain place, in my condition I'll save it on the default place. Before clicking next, be sure to specify and increase the hard drive space to 80 GB and click on the store virtual disk as a single file. After that, click on next. Before clicking finish, go to customize hardware button, and regarding the RAM, increase it to 3.568 to have a more powerful memory and to speed up the processing. And go to the network and click on bridge connected directly to the physical network, which is gonna be connected to the physical network that we have configured here. Just click on close and finish. Now the specifications are set, and all you have to click on power on the virtual machine. Just wait for a few minutes to load and boot the image. As you can see, now the image is loaded, and just click on OK for the removable device, so you can plug in any USB or so. As you can see, now the loading is starting. Just wait for it until it's completed. As you can see, now the DVD found windows is appear, and for testing purposes, if you want to check the media before processing, I already check it, so if you want to check it, just click on yes. In my case, I'll click no and wait for the system to install, whether it's gonna check the install files which is required. As you can see, detecting the server hardware can take several minutes. As you can see, it's now the hardware setup is completed and everything passed detection validation. So wait for it till the next window appears. Product deployment selection. In our case, we're gonna choose the Cisco Unified Communication Manager and click on OK.
I agree.
The proceed with an install window will appear. Click yes to proceed with it. The platform installation wizard is appear, and you have to choose whether to proceed, to continue with the wizard, or to skip it, or to cancel it. We're gonna choose to proceed with the installation wizard. The apply patch window appear, and it's told you that the software is gonna be installed from DVD. Just click no. The basic install, click continue. In the time zone configuration, just select our location, which is gonna be located in Asia, Bahrain, and click on OK. Accept the default by clicking continue. The MTU configuration will be, click on no for the MTU configuration. With regard the DHCP, accept the default, click no. And here you have to specify the network configuration, which is gonna be the host name. Here in the static network configuration, writing the CUCM name and the IP address specified for him and the gateway address for him. After that, click on OK. It will configure and set up the network configuration. And here they're starting the network. Wait for it till it's finished. In the DNS client configuration window, click on no. The configuration on the setup of the network will be configured to set the DNS as no. In the administration login configuration, specify an administrator ID with the password and confirm the password, then click OK. In the certified confirmation, write your organization, which is gonna be Battleco. The unit is an IT, location Manama, and the state is BH, and be sure the country you specified is Bahrain, and click OK. First node configuration, is it the first node the cluster? Click yes. And here on, specify the NTP server which were configured in the physical equipment which sat as NTP server, and this is the IP of it, 10.1.55.5. and in order to test it, click on test to verify that the NTP server is working fine. As you can see nearby the IP address, it says accessible, so we'll proceed with the installation. After that, the security configuration requires security and password. Just to specify a password for you and click on OK. It will run the security configuration. Regarding the SMTP host configuration, click on no. An application user configuration, which is going to be the website, you have to specify a username and a password for it, and then click on OK. The platform configuration confirmation, so after finishing all the configuration with the networks and the username and password, click on OK in order to proceed with the installation. And wait till it's finished. As you can see, the installing of the CUCM is proceeding, so just wait till it's finished. As you can see, after CUCM finishes its installation, it's a prompt you for the username and password that is already configured. So you have to write the username, which is CUCM-admin, and prompt the password, which is admin12345. Click enter. Just hold on for it in order to run, and verify the username and password. As you can see, now the command line interface is starting up, so just wait for it till it's complete.